Hello everyone. In this episode, I would like to explain what to be and how to use it. On the previous episode, I have explained shortly that to be is used 1. If a sentence has no verb, its subject should be followed with to be. 2. To be combined with present participle or ing form to form continuous tenses. 3. To be followed with past participle to form passive sentences. In English, to be is one of the most essential and versatile verbs. It serves multiple functions and is used in a variety of grammatical constructions. There are some forms of to be as follows. To be in present tense is am, are, and it's used based on the subject. I am, we are, you are, they are, his, she's, it is. To be past tense was or were. I was, we were, you were, they were, he was, she was, it was. To be past participle, being. To be present participle, being. To be infinitive, be. To be is used as a linking verb. It connects the subjects of a sentence to a subject complement, a noun, pronoun, or adjective that describes or identifies the subject. It means that to be is not followed with an action verb. Action verb describes physical and mental actions done by subjects. 1. Present tense, to be, should be, is, and are. It indicates that the action is still going on till now. Past tense, to be, was, were. It describes something happened in the past. Examples of the use of to be in present tense and past tense. I am a teacher. She is my brother. Are they foreigners? The man was here 2 days ago. Joko Widodo was the president of Indonesia. Prabowo Subianto is the president of Indonesia now. We were tired yesterday. What time were you at mall last night? To be is used to form continuous tenses, which is combined with present participle or ing form to show an ongoing action. 3. Present continuous tense is, am, are plus present participle. 4. Past continuous tense was, were plus present participle. The examples of the two tenses as well as the president is delivering a speech. She's talking about her life. Were they speaking English with the foreigners? The man was walking around the village 2 days ago. The English teacher is teaching in the classroom now. Where is your father staying now? We were discussing about how to increase our products yesterday. What are you looking for? To be, which is not followed with an action verb to form perfect tenses. 5. Present perfect tense. Have or has plus been. Past perfect tense. Had plus been. Examples of the two tenses. I have been here for 2 weeks. She has been an English teacher for more than 10 years. How long has she been at Mall? The man had been here for an hour before I came here last night. The robbers had not been at the location when the police arrived. Mr. Anton had been here when you arrived. Where have you been? How long have you been here? To be used as an infinitive or future or modal. B. Examples. My parents want me to be an English teacher. Don't be lazy. Be careful on the way home. Will be here tomorrow morning. She will be able to speak English well if you practice regularly. What time shall we be at the meeting room tomorrow? If you won the lottery, you'd be happy. She may be at home right now. Let's go there. 8. To be followed with past participle is used to construct passive voice or passive sentences. To be in present is am or are. To be in past tense was or were. To be in continuous being. To be in present continuous is am, are plus being. Past continuous was or were plus being. Perfect tenses have or has or had plus been. Infinitive or future or modal be. Examples of to be used in passive constructions. English lesson is taught twice a week by Mr. Greg. The school was built by the government 15 years ago. The football match is being televised by RCTI now. Where are you being interviewed by the manager? She was being called by her father when I was at her home last night. English can be learned from YouTube. The students were being examined at 8 yesterday morning. English must be learned seriously to improve English skills. The problem has been solved well by him. The prospective employees have been interviewed for 2 hours. The big project had been completed by our team. Well, everyone, I think that is all for the explanation what to be is and how to use it. Thank you very much for your attention. See you on the next video in different topic. Bye bye.